Hello YouTubers, I'm kind of starting to get back into videos. Let's see how this works. I'm a big fan of the 84 through 88 Toyota pickup 4x4s. So trying to find original back bumper brackets is almost impossible. And when you find them, they're usually mangled, bent, welded, whatever. So I like to make some new ones. And the tail end on this one right here has been modified. I added this up, from here up. And the reason I did that, if you walk over to one of my Toyota pickups, you'll see it was so I had the ability to mount a really good quality aftermarket bumper. These are the nice ones, but no one makes bumper brackets for it. They make them for the other crappy looking step bumpers. I think these are the nicest looking of them all. So well built too. You get my shadow in the way, but you stand back, you look at it, looks like a factory bumper on that. Matter of fact, I like it better than the factory bumper. That mount was one of the mounts that came on the contoured or step bumper with the rubber end caps, so they're impossible to find. So like I said, I modified that, and I ended up making a plasma cutting template. And you can see I have little bushings there welded on. Those are for 9/16 holes and 1/2 inch. You run the outside edge of your plasma cutter around the outside edge and you end up with a blank. The holes are square because I have the original hardware, and so I file them square. They don't have to be. And then you'll end up adding edges and TIG welding them on. So then you'll end up with a really nice solid bumper bracket on the cheap. So we'll see how this turns out. I'll make a second video following up. Hey Mike, this is why I need my Langmuir plasma cutting table soon, because this is driving me nuts. Anyway, to be continued very soon. Hang tight.